Bulk editing in Jira allows you to make changes to multiple issues simultaneously, saving time and ensuring consistency. Here's how to perform a bulk edit. Log into Jira. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform bulk operations. Access Issue Navigator. Click on Issues in the top navigation menu and select Search for Issues to open the Issue Navigator. Filter issues. Use the search bar or JQL to filter the issues you want to edit. For example, you might filter by project, issue type or status. Select issues. In the search results, select the issues you wish to edit by clicking the checkboxes next to each issue. To select all issues on the current page, use the checkbox at the top of the list. Initiate bulk change. Click on the Tools menu and select Bulk Change All Issues. Choose Bulk Edit Operation. Select Edit Issues from the list of bulk operations. Click Next. Apply changes. In the Bulk Edit screen, make the desired changes to fields such as status, priority, assignee, or custom fields. Configure additional options as needed. Confirm and execute. Review your changes in the confirmation screen. Click Confirm to apply the updates to all selected issues. Monitor changes. Jira will process the bulk edit and notify you once the operation is complete.